Hello all and welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover Amazon DynamoDB global tables followed by a quick demo. DynamoDB global tables is a fully managed serverless multi-master active database. Global tables provide a 99.999% availability, increased application resiliency, and improved business continuity. Global tables' automatic cross-region replication capability helps achieve fast local read and write performance and regional fault tolerance for database workloads. Applications can now perform reads and writes to DynamoDB in AWS regions around the world, with changes in any region propagated to every region where a table is replicated. Global tables help in building applications to take advantage of data locality to reduce overall latency. Global tables support eventual consistency and strong consistency for the same region reads, but only eventual consistency for cross-region reads. Global tables replicates data among regions within a single AWS account, and it currently does not support cross-account access. Global tables uses the last write wins approach for conflict resolution. Now, a global table is a collection of one or more replica tables, all owned by a single AWS account. A single Amazon DynamoDB global table can only have one replica table per AWS region, and each replica table stores the same set of data items, has the same table name, and the same primary key schema. When an application writes data to a replica table in one region, DynamoDB automatically replicates the writes to other replica tables in the other AWS regions. Global tables requires DynamoDB streams to be enabled with new and old image settings. In this demo, we are going to create a DynamoDB global table with replica tables in different regions within the United States. Open the DynamoDB console. DynamoDB tables are regionally scoped, and we are in the North Virginia, US East 1 region. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, let's choose Tables. Choose Create Table. Enter Movies Global Table for the table name. Enter Title for the primary key. We are not going to set the sort key for this table. For global tables, to create a replica, we must set the tables and index throughput capacity to auto scaling or change the capacity mode to on demand. We will be using the default table settings with standard table class, provisioned capacity mode, auto scaling turned on, 5 provisioned capacity units for read and write, no secondary indexes, encryption at rest using keys owned by Amazon DynamoDB, and no deletion protection. We are fine with the configuration. Let's go ahead and create the Movies global table. It will take some time for the table to be available. This table will serve as the first replica in our new global table. It is the prototype for other replica tables that we will add later. Let's enable global tables. The table is now in the active status. Navigate to the table configuration. Choose the Global Tables tab. Previously, only empty tables could be converted to global tables. However, with the latest version, you can go global or you can extend existing global tables to additional regions at any time. Choose the Create Replica with the latest version. The current region is US East 1 North Virginia. From the available replication regions drop down, let's choose US West Oregon region. The console will check to ensure that a table with the same name doesn't exist in the selected region. If the table with the same name does exist, you must delete the existing table before you can create a new replica in that region. The AWS service role for DynamoDB replication would be used for replication. DynamoDB automatically creates this IAM service linked role for you. This role allows DynamoDB to manage cross-region replication for global tables on your behalf. Don't delete this service linked role, because if you do, then all your global tables will no longer function. For the replication to work, DynamoDB streams will be activated automatically for the new and the old images view type. Let's choose Create Replica. And this starts the table creation process in the US West Oregon region. It will replicate the movies global table to the US West 2 region. This might take some time, especially for larger tables. Let's navigate to the Oregon region. We can now see the global table replica in the DynamoDB with the same name and configuration. The Global Table tab shows the table has now been replicated in multiple regions. Let's test our global table. Navigate to the Explore Table items in our primary table in the North Virginia region. We currently do not have any data in the table. Let's choose Create Item. For title, enter Rush. To write the item, choose Create Item. Let's navigate to the Oregon DynamoDB table nav. And we can see the item has been replicated to that region. We can also create a new item in the Oregon region, and it should be replicated back to the North Virginia region. Let's create item. For title, enter Thor and create the item. Navigate back to the North Virginia table and refresh. And the item has been replicated to the North Virginia region as well. So that's it for the DynamoDB Global Tables demo. DynamoDB Global Tables, being a fully managed serverless multi-master active database, can be great to achieve fast local read and write performance and regional fault tolerance for database workloads. I hope you liked the demo. Thank you all.
Alright, that was it. Thank you for watching. You can check out my website and connect me on LinkedIn and Twitter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. For any feedback, please leave a comment down below. To see more videos like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.